Hello dear subscribers, Dale Dollar. So how to fix this problem? So here you could see it, instruments quit, so just name of the application quit unexpectedly. So how you could also fix this problem? So first thing, just please try to restore your Mac. So just tap on Apple logo, just choose restore and just submit restoring your Mac. So after, you could also just try to reopen your application. So sometimes it also works. If that doesn't work, just please check the updates for your system. Just tap on Apple logo, just choose system settings, just choose here software update and just check the latest updates for your system. And after, you could also just update your application. You could do it from App Store. You just need to tap on updates and here you will see all the apps you just need to install updates from. And the latest option you could try also to just force quit from the application. For doing that, you just need to tap on option, command and escape at one time, and after just choose application you want to relaunch. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye, and please download my apps from description. So thanks.